Hey everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I have an unboxing. I took it out of the priority mail box, literally a box, because I thought, hey, you'd want to see this part, but look, it's legit. I didn't open it, but I wanted to get this in before the end of the year because this is December. This means I have all 12 packets of diamond painting drills. Yes, she does a sample pack, or you can buy them individually, the colors in bags of drills. I thought this was a fantastic idea. I have January through December. I'm really excited. Let me open it up and show you. This is great for you guys to use. Just a side note, look how cute she always wraps it. You always feel like it's a gift from the heart. The nice thing about the colors of the month is the sample pack itself is 20% off. It's normally $25, but it's $20. And then any color you buy, if you want individually, that are in the color of the month kit, is also 20% off as well. So you can add a little extra something if you need to supplement more. I did buy one square and one round each month just because I'm just crazy. So this is December round, and I love the packaging. She always gives you your own sticker too. Look how pretty that is. It's gorgeous. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Look at these colors. Are they not beautiful? So you also, when you go online, she shows you which colors you're going to get, so it's not a surprise. And usually the colors are based on the month and some sort of theme. So December is usually red and green. January's were like blue. February's were pinks and reds and purples. March were greens, yellows, and oranges, etc., etc. So we got 777, 816, 321, 666, 3819, 470, 701, 890, 701 crystals, 666 crystals, gold and silver. I know one of the months when we were doing Monster Mash, I believe, it was glow in the dark. Just a whole bunch of fun. And these, look how vibrant they are. So cute. They come in these adorable little sample packets. How fun. So this is the round. And then this is square as well. This is square. Some months the colors are identical. Some months they're slightly different because companies are still working on getting more. So yes, this has square crystals in it. And she says December square here. And how cute and adorable are these? And they're great. This canvas right here, I did a little toucha in little places, and I was able to use my sample kit. It was wonderful. Now, while I was on there, if I bought a certain amount, I think it's $35, you get free shipping, which is wonderful. And so I bought some of these. If you're part of my channel, you saw I had a little snafu. And I bought rounds instead of squares for my upcoming Ticket to Ride. And so I had to buy some squares. Okay, so I bought 209, 890, 742, 498, 550, and 718. So I was supplementing some of my square colors, but I also needed them for my Ticket to Ride. I also bought these icicles, which are absolutely gorgeous. I have to pour these out and show you. Let me grab a tray. The thing about these icicles is they truly look like snow. and they take the color behind it. But look, oh my gosh. Now with her specials, some of them, if you read, are a certain size. They're just a little bit bigger than your normal drill. And so you can't necessarily put them across, you know, like a whole row across. These are more for 1 to 3 in a row. Tic-tac-toe. My goodness. Okay, I'm going to wait and put the rest of them in off camera because I have to be careful. She really stuffs these nice and full, and I don't want to lose any of my precious icicles. But I got 2 of those. I was drooling over them. And then I had to get candlelight in round. Now it doesn't come in square, but it comes in square, meaning smaller, so you can use it for square. And that's why she has it marked as round. So this is pretty candlelight. And then I had to try the hydrangea flame. It's just this purple color I had to try. So those are my specials that I purchased. Okay, so there is a link down below. It's an affiliate link, but it's if you want to run while you still can to get the December discount, that's 20% off of anything that's in the December packet, meaning you can either get the sample packet or this size, any color that's in the sample packet. So run while you still can. Also, with our wonderful Ticket to Ride that's starting in January, there'll be a percentage off. But this 20% of these colors are better than the 10%. So you may want to run now. And that is it. So thank you so much, Alyssa. Please go give her your love. Let me know what you got or what color you're drooling over and saving up for. And I can't wait to show my post review because this is a sneak peek that this Craftably is done. So until next time, be blessed. Take care. Love you all. Bye-bye.